Hi, I'm Dr. Will Lee, author of the book Eat to Beat Disease, and I'm here in the Mediterranean reporting on the latest news. Today's news is about it turns out that broccoli has an enzyme that activates one of your body's own cancer fighting genes. They starve the cancer by cutting off the blood supply.
If you're looking to power up your diet with foods that fight disease and inflammation, you're in the right place. Meet Dr. William Lee. He is a pioneer in the field of food science. He has dedicated much of his career to understanding how foods can fuel and repair our bodies. He reveals in his research that certain foods have the power to fight against cancer by promoting the body's natural healing mechanisms. And one vegetable, in particular, stands out as a powerful fighter.
In my book Eat to Beat Disease, I got it right here. Check it out. If you haven't read it, I strongly recommend it. Eat to Beat Disease. It's got a lot of stuff in here about food doses and all the different kinds of foods that can activate your health defenses to fight cancer. This whole section is about cancer-fighting foods in there.
This vegetable isn't just good for your health, it's a warrior against disease. It's packed with nutrients that help your body defend itself, repair damage, and even stop cancer cells from growing. So, what's the secret?
Broccoli, but it's not what you think. It turns out that broccoli has an enzyme that activates one of your body's own cancer-fighting genes. It's called a tumor suppressor gene. Brassica. Brassica is a type of vegetable. It's a group of vegetables and contains broccoli, cauliflower, bok choy. It's a green vegetable that you can saute, common in many different types of cultures. You find it in Mediterranean, you find it in Asia.
Let's dive deeper into how brassica vegetables help with cancer prevention and repair.
And what's actually in these brassica vegetables are sulforaphanes. These are another natural chemical. And these sulforaphanes, what do? They boost the immune system, right? Good, strong immune system, knocks out microscopic cancers, also lowers inflammation. Inflammation is like the gasoline on a fire, making the cancer grow hotter and faster. When you actually calm inflammation, you're putting out the fire, all right? And actually that is very helpful when you want to fight cancer. The other thing the brassica does, it actually contains the sulforaphanes that actually are anti-angiogenic. They starve the cancer by cutting off the blood supply. And this has also been shown with broccoli, for example.
How to prepare and how to eat.
Here's something really interesting. This is a pro tip. The grown-up broccoli is not just the treetops. That's what we used to always eat when I was a kid. Your mom always told you, eat those treetops. Okay, and the treetops do have the sulforaphanes, but it turns out that the stalk, the long stem of a broccoli is actually mostly a stem. It's like a whole tree with some treetops on it. The treetops have the sulforaphane, but the stalk has twice as much of the good stuff. So if you're actually cooking broccoli, cook the treetops, the florets is what they call them, but also save that stem. Stem, if you slice it in a diagonal and saute it, absolutely delicious. You'll find it in a lot of Asian dishes that way. If you don't want to saute it, you can actually just put it into a food processor and make a broccoli soup. You want to add a little oregano in there. It really makes a broccoli oregano soup is actually absolutely delicious. I actually included that broccoli oregano soup recipe in my book Eat to Beat Disease if you're actually interested in it. Okay, so broccoli, cancer fighting.
Broccoli is one of the most scientifically validated healing foods on earth, and what it does inside your body goes far beyond basic nutrition. Its most powerful weapon is sulforaphane, one of the most researched anti-cancer compounds ever discovered in a food source. When you chop or chew broccoli, sulforaphane activates immediately and triggers your body's NRF2 pathway, a master genetic switch that unleashes your body's own antioxidant defense system, protecting cells and DNA from damage that leads to cancer-causing mutations. Sulforaphane also supercharges your liver's detoxification enzymes, breaking down and eliminating carcinogens before they can corrupt healthy cells. But broccoli doesn't stop there. Its folate directly repairs DNA during cell division, preventing the copying errors that trigger cancerous mutations. Vitamin K regulates abnormal cell growth, while vitamin C neutralizes free radicals and supports tissue healing through collagen production. Broccoli's glucosinolates convert into powerful compounds that regulate immune function and reduce chronic inflammation, one of cancer's biggest drivers. Meanwhile, its fiber keeps digestion moving, physically clearing carcinogens from the gut before reabsorption occurs. Pro tip: lightly steam broccoli over cooking destroys sulforaphane. Chopping it 40 minutes before cooking maximizes the compound's potency. Remember, no single food can work miracles on its own, but adding these nutrient-packed options to your diet can help strengthen your body's natural defenses. If you're receiving treatment or have specific health concerns, be sure to talk to your healthcare provider for advice tailored to you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment telling us about your favorite healthy recipe or your thoughts on using food for healing. For more tips on making everyday choices that lead to a healthier lifestyle, be sure to subscribe and explore our other videos. Until next time, stay healthy and keep thriving.